Hey guys, it's Miriam for HonorBuy.de, and here we go with a massive box. This is our cooker. The tendency right now, it will be to eat and to cook healthy, so we decided to have this product in our website. First of all, it says that we can cook from seafood to different vegetables and anything between, like desserts, french fries, steak, chicken. We're gonna open it. That's so big, so I'm gonna put it here in my chair because I cannot even take it out. And first of all, what we can see, it's an envelope. Let's take a look what is inside. So that would be the book. And what else? A thank you card as always from Taotronics. I'm gonna keep it here on the side. You can see it's very thick instructions, different recipes and different functionalities. Today, unfortunately, we cannot cook here, we have no food, but I'm going to show you the product. I'm going to put the box on the side slowly, not to break anything. And here we go. So let's try to open it. I'm going to sneak it in if I can. Oh wow. So here you can see the receipt. Let's put the food inside. So let's start to switch it on. So now here we can see the different functionalities. We can see press it. So here we can see that it's already putting the timer on the temperature. So guys, just to let you know, it's very easy to clean it. You even can take it off and put it in the washing machine. And as well, this product is for lower than €100 that in any other products, same style, same quality in the market, are 200 or above. So for €100, you got an amazing air fryer that you can cook so many recipes in it. So guys, that's all for today. I hope to see you soon. Bye!